Welcome back to the channel, guys. How are you doing today? This week so far has been a bit crazy, so to say, right? And I'm sure you would agree with me that the high impact news that we've had, like yesterday, especially for the CPI and the FOMC statement, it made the market to be a bit of, volatile, up, down, right? You see some massive movement. First thing I want to say is I hope nobody got injured. When I say injured, I mean your account, your trading account. I hope you didn't have massive losses or hope you didn't crash your account. If you did, reach out to us. Let's have a quick discussion and find out what you must have done wrong. Or if you know what you did wrong, let's discuss why did you do those things, right? Because I want to believe if you traded without stop loss, you know you're supposed to. If you traded with high risk management, you know you're supposed to use risk management that is in good proportion, maybe 1% or 2% or whatever of your account balance. So reach out and then let's just brainstorm on, what went wrong, right? And if you made profit, sweet, awesome. The market has been a good one and it is not yet over, right? Today, Thursday, June 13th, we have the PPI, right? And even the unemployment claims for the USD. So our main focus is on the DXY, the USD, right? So if you look based on yesterday's CPI from history, we don't usually have that very volatile movement when it comes to the PPI, unlike the CPI. So today, I'm just saying, don't quote me on this. Today should not be as volatile as yesterday. But at the same time, expect the unexpected in the market. So looking at gold, our concentration is going to be on gold and the PPI. The PPI, as we said, by 1:30 p.m. UK time, high impact. And then gold, what do we have on gold? Now, gold, we traded gold, I believe, once or twice or thereabout. We had a couple of good trades. If you watch the previous videos, we had like Euro USD, GBP USD, Bitcoin also. The good thing about some of these trades was that we're able to do coast to coast, where in this week we're able to do some buying, take profit, and then follow it down again to sell and then take profit as well, right? So quickly now, looking at this here, the gold shiny metal, we've already drawn our levels based on, as you can see here, support, resistance, 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 support, support. So here's the flip zone area, and I'm looking forward to price, hopefully pushing higher from here. If this happens, you can as well. Now, also note that this is not a form of signal. This is for educational purposes, meaning that you're meant to use what we're showing you to learn how to trade the proper way. And if you decide to take this trade, make sure that your risk is well calculated and then your stop loss is in place as well. Now, by the way, it is not all your trades that are going to be winners, right? So you need to ensure that when the losers do occur, they're rather small. So looking forward to a buying over here and then price probably getting to this point here for one or for two will be a good place to sell at this area here. If you look to the left-hand side, you can see support, some resistance over here. And even on two as well, you can see some form of resistance, support over here. Right, then if you look, we also mark this area out. It's not a major area for me, but it is still one of significance, and it can even slow the market down a bit here. That is if it's going to push higher. And if it's not going to push higher, right, it might as well break to the downside and then use this as a point of resistance to drop further down to the lows, right? But then don't forget, we have the PPI, the Producer Price Index, and even the unemployment claims coming out later today by 1:30 p.m. UK time. So expect possible volatility, but not as much as yesterday's CPI. That is what I have been able to notice based on my own experience, my own little time in the market. But please don't quote me on that. The market can go haywire at any point in time. But the market has already done some good numbers this week already. So if you are on the positive, awesome. If you're not on a positive, reach out and let's find out what happened exactly, and of course, how to solve the problems that you seem to be having, right? Now, as we'll be rounding up this video, if you have any questions, use the comment section below to drop your questions. Let's even discuss your analysis of this gold, the XAU USD. Are you in agreement that this is an area of buying? Are you looking forward to buying here? Are you looking forward to selling when it gets back to 1 or 2, or even when it breaks this area and then use this other side as a launching pad to go down? Let us know what your bias is, whether buying or selling. And of course, we can turn that into a healthy conversation. And if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up as well. So I want to say thank you guys for tuning in. Once again, I repeat, because I know a lot of traders haven't had it so good this week. But if you are one of them, losses, massive losses, even crashed accounts, reach out and just have a discussion. The link in the school will help you to book a call. Okay, thank you guys. It has indeed been a good one. Please ensure to trade safe, protect your account at all costs. Thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of the day and goodbye for now. Cheers.